guys, how are you? Welcome to Mobilemaths with Kamchran. Today we are looking at subject of formula 3, where we have got some complicated fractions where we want to make x the subject of formula. Okay, so number 1, I've got a fraction which has got 2a and 3b over as the denominators. So what we do for b, we take it as over 1 like that. Then we find the lowest common multiple for the denominators, this one and our 1. You find out we have got a number which is 6a. 2a can go into 6a, 3a can go into 6a, and 1 can also go into 6a. So this becomes our lowest common multiple, which we are going to multiply every item with. So we multiply here by 6a, here by 6a, and here also by 6a, like that. Now we have multiplied everything by 6a. We are going to divide 2a into 6a, we get a 3. 3a into 6a, we get a 2. And 1 into 6a, we'll get a 6a. So we now have x times 3, which is 3x, plus x times 2, which is 2x, is equals to 6a. Okay. Now we have got our x on their side. We can add. We've got 3x plus 2x, we get 5x. This is equal to 6a. We want to find our x, so we are going to divide everything by 5. Dividing by 5, dividing by 5. So we'll get this side, 5 and 5 will cancel off each other, and we'll get our x as 6a over 5. This becomes our final answer there. Let's have another fraction. Okay, this one, we have got 3b minus 2x on the denominator. So we multiply everything by it so that we remove it. So it is, we multiply by 3b minus 2x this side. On this side, we also multiply by 3b minus 2x. So on the left side, I'll have a is multiplying 3b minus 2x, and we'll get on the right side is equal to, this bracket will cancel off with this bracket, so we'll get 2b plus 3x. Okay, now let's remove the brackets. Removing the brackets, a times 3b, we get 3ab. A times minus 2x, we get minus 2ax. This is equal to 2b plus 3x. Okay, like that. So it is easy for me to take this minus 2ax to the right. It becomes a plus, and 2b to the left, it becomes a minus. So I will now have 3ab minus 2b is equal to 3x plus 2ax, like that. Okay, now we have done that. We have got a common factor x here and x there, so we can take out x. If we take out x for that one, we have x bracket 3 plus 2a, like that. This is equal to 3ab minus 2b. To get our x, we are going to divide everything by 3 plus 2a. 3 plus 2a. Okay. On the right side, this bracket will cancel off with that bracket. So we get our x as, our x is equal to 3ab minus 2b over 3 plus 2a, like that. Even if we're going to take out b, this b here, you can even do that if you want, and we get our x is equals to b bracket 3a minus 2 over 3 plus 2a. It's all correct. Okay, like that. So this is the final answer there. Let's look at the last question. Okay, for this one, we multiply with the two denominators. The lowest common multiple for these two denominators is a minus x and a plus b plus x, like that. So we multiply everything by that. Let's do that. So I'm going to multiply everything. On this side, I'll multiply by a minus x by b plus x, like that. Then on the other side, I do the same. I multiply by a minus x by b plus x, like that. Okay. Now we have multiplied everything, we divide. A minus x will cancel off with a minus x and will remain with a multiplying b plus x. This is equal to, on the right side, b plus x will cancel off with b plus x. So we'll remain with b multiplying a minus x, like that. So that's how we do it. Now we have removed the denominators. We are now going to remove the brackets. Removing the brackets, we multiply a by b, we get ab plus ax is equal to ab minus bx. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to take the x's to one side. So I can either take this one to this side, it becomes a plus, and when I do that, I'll take ab to that side, it becomes a minus. So let's do that. What do we get? We'll get ax plus bx is equal to ab, then minus ab, like that. Okay. Now our x's are common there. We can take out x here. So we have a plus b is equal to ab minus ab. We get a 0 there. Okay. So yes, we get a 0. So we are going to divide both sides by a plus b by a plus b. Okay. Let's divide. So on our left side, we are going to have our a, b are going to cancel off each other. So we have this a cancelling off with that one, and we remain with x is equals to 0 over a plus b. Okay, of which when we have a number, 0 divided by any number, we get a 0. So our x is going to be a 0 in this case. So our final answer is going to be x is equals to 0, because anything that we divide by is 0. 0 divided by 8, we get a 0. 0 divided by 1, we get a 0. So even if we divide by a plus b, there we'll get a 0. So this is the final answer there. Okay, let's look at the last one. I think this is the last one, yes. Okay, so we do the same what we did on the previous question. The lowest common multiple is a plus a, is x actually. It's x plus a by x minus b, like that. So we multiply everything by that. So I'm going to multiply for the first one, x plus a by x minus b. Okay, then I do the same for this one, x plus a, x minus b. Then the last one, 1 there, I do the same, x plus a and x minus b, like that. Okay, I've written it down because of my space. Okay, so now I will multiply a plus x plus a there is going to divide with this one, and we'll get x multiplying x minus b minus x minus b there is going to divide by x minus b. So we get a by x plus a is equal to 1 there. We said 1 when it's like that is the same as 1 over 1. So when we divide anything by 1, it will remain the same. So we have x plus a and x minus b there. Okay. Now let's remove the brackets. These are too much. They are too much. First one, I've got x squared minus xb minus ax minus a squared is equal to x squared minus xb plus ax, then minus ab, like that. Okay, let's take the x's on their side. I have got x squared minus x squared. I'm taking this x's, this one, I'm taking these x's this side. When I do that, I can even take this a this side. Okay, let's do that. Okay, then I've got minus xb, then I've got this xb there becomes plus, so it becomes x plus xb. Then I've got minus x there, minus ax. With this one, it becomes minus, so it's minus ax. Then this is equal to, I'm now taking this minus a squared to the right, it becomes a squared. Then we have got minus ab. Okay, like that. That was long. X squared minus x squared, we get a 0 for the first part. This one we get a 0. Minus xb plus xb, this part we also get a 0. Okay, then the last part here, minus ax minus ax, it's as good as minus 1 minus 1, we get minus 2, so it becomes minus 2ax is equal to a squared minus ab. Okay, like that. Now I've reached a point where I can now divide by minus 2a, both sides, minus 2a to get my x. So these ones will cancel off each other, and my x is equal to, my x is equals to a squared minus ab over minus 2a. Okay, so you can either leave it like this, or else if you want, you can divide. This is correct, guys. Or else you can divide by minus there, minus 2a. If you want that, then it becomes x is equals to, so I'm dividing each element. I'm dividing first this part, a squared over minus 2a, then minus, I now divide the second part there, minus this one divided by that, so it's minus ab over minus 2a. That's how you divide when you have fractions like this. So on the first one, a will cancel off with 1, a there will remain with a there. Then on the second one, a will cancel off with a. Okay, then the negative here, negative and negative will cancel off each other and we will get a plus. So our answer becomes x is equals to a over minus 2 plus b over 2. And if you want to make it a positive, it becomes x is equals to b over 2 minus a over minus 2 over 2. Okay, minus a over 2. This becomes the final answer there. Okay, this makes sense actually. Even if you want to say b, x is equals to b minus a over 2, it is fine. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.